Welcome to my channel. I'm Sherry Lynn Zhang. Today I'm going to be trying out dip powder nails, which I have never done before and I'm super excited to. So Azure Beauty very kindly reached out to me and offered to send me their starter kit, which comes with pretty much everything you need to do dip powder nails, except for something that you'll always have in your household, which is rubbing alcohol and some cotton swabs. I'm really excited to try out the starter kit, see how easy to use it is, see how starter level it really is, and also what I'm more excited about is the fact that dip powder nails are similar to acrylics and also to gel nails, where it really adheres to your nail bed and the color is supposed to stay for I think 2 weeks, and this does not require UV light unlike gel nail does. And also I've noticed when I do gel nails at home, it can be very annoying because it's already a very time-consuming process, but my nails chip so easily because I am not careful with my hands. My nails are also thin. They grow super fast, but they're really thin. What happens is usually I break my nails before I even get to enjoy the color. So what I'm hoping to get out of this experience is the reinforced strength that powder dip nails provide. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I've been watching a lot of other YouTube tutorials on how to do these dip powder nails, so I'm hoping that I don't completely suck on my first try. Basically will make my nail thicker, and I'm hoping that that's gonna glue my actual nail together so that it doesn't break and crack, so that I can enjoy these pretty colors. Alright, so let's get into it and let me introduce to you guys what is available within the kit. They've got this cute instructional brochure and it's got all the steps and the main event. So we've got the powders. They come in 3 colors and then 1 transparent one. It's got 5 of these little bottles that seem like nail polish, but it's not. It's the bond, which is step 1, and then step 2 is the base. Step 3 is the activator. We've got a top coat. We've also got a brush saver. So that's if too much residue hardens on any of these other brushes, you're able to dip it into the brush saver, really eliminate the yuckiness and clean up that brush. I really appreciate that they come with a nail buffer because I'm always losing or running out of these. They've also come with a cuticle stick. It also comes with cuticle oil, so that's a very nice bonus as well. And this lovely kit comes with a little brush so that you can dust off the powder from your hands. Let's see. Ooh, okay. It's pretty soft actually. I thought it was gonna be, have you guys ever bought really cheap makeup brushes and it's straws of plastic? This is really soft, really good. Babe, can I please help you? My nails right now, they look kind of nasty and it's got a lot of dirt under it. It's not dirt. I was screen printing and I got a lot of black ink under my nails and it's stained and now they're gross, which is more reason why I need one of these pretty colors to go on it. I recently shaped my nails in preparation for this video, so they're less yucky looking than what it could be. Wow. Yeah, this is really good to use for shaping your nails. So I just want to add in that I'm going to be giving my full, complete, honest opinions about these. What I'm really hoping is that I'll love it, but if I don't love it, I'm going to let you guys know. I tried to make them kind of almond, kind of coffin, not really coffin, but kind of almond. Buff out the top of your nails a bit to get rid of that shine that it naturally has. What you're going to do as your very first step is you're going to take your rubbing alcohol and soak up that little cotton ball, and you're just going to clean off your nails so that you don't have any oils or dust or residue or anything that's going to prevent the good stuff from really sticking to your nails. Okay, so hopefully my nails are clean now and we're ready to really have some fun. First, we're going to put on this bond coat. And this we can apply to every nail and it'll be okay. Oh, it's immediately evaporating. Bond number 1 is on. So step 2, it says to cover just 1 finger at a time with this dip base. And let me actually get these guys open and ready. Our fun powders. Oh, cool. They're like safety sealed. Ooh. Wow, that powder is so fine. I've got the transparent powder ready. Let's start with this thumb. We're gonna apply our base number 2 here. I'm nervous because I have sweaty hands. And I'm just gonna brush off the excess that's around my finger. And then we're gonna go in again with the base coat. We can go in with the color. Just knocking off the excess. Step number 7 is to apply a 3rd coat of this base. Avoid getting it on your cuticles, because if you get it on your cuticles, that's where the powder will adhere to. So I think most people would try to keep it as thin as they can, but honestly, if this can help harden my nails, I'm fine with a little bit of thickness, you know? Step number 9 now is to apply our activator, which is bottle number 3. And this is what's gonna harden everything. So it says it's gonna take 2 minutes for this activator to dry up and set, and it'll be hardened. So let's do another nail first while we wait for this guy. It feels pretty dry to the touch, but I'm gonna leave it for a couple more seconds before we file down and reshape it a bit. And let's go on to our ring finger. Let's go in with the transparent, knock off that excess. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our lovely pink color again. And then we're knocking off the excess. My application here is awful. All right, I'm gonna go in with this glitter on top of my ring finger. So we've got the pink base and hopefully a nice cute glitter overlay. Wow! So much glitter. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's got some creasing lines on it. So I'm gonna try to buff that out and also just get it to be a little flatter so it looks a little more natural. Hope you guys are having fun with me right now. I love trying out new products, and if you like more of these videos, I've got a Sally Hansen gel kit review, and I've got a bunch of little makeup tutorials and also some try-on hauls. So I've buffed out the ridges and it's looking pretty good. And now it's ready for our top coat. With this guy, you want to work quickly because it dries like super glue and it will create ridges on your finger. So try to smoothen and spread that out. I've actually started applying my top coat on these fingers, and we need 2 layers of top coat. So here I am going in with that 2nd layer. Now this top coat is literally like super glue. It smells like super glue, and if you let it dry for a second and you don't smoothen it out, it will create like ugly little ridges. Thank you again, Azure Beauty. They also sent me these cute rhinestones to put on as well. I love the bling that it adds. We're pretty much done with the nails here, but I'm gonna go back with the base coat for my accent finger, this red guy, because I wanna put on some little cute rhinestones. Dot up here. Yeah, just cover the whole thing, whatever. I should have a tweezer, but I don't want to get up to get it, so just gonna, as carefully as I possibly can, place this on my finger. Alright guys, if you're gonna put on little rhinestones, make sure you have a tweezer so you're not getting that base all over your fingers and your skin. For our final top coat over our rhinestone finger. I love that it's a pale pink, but it's completely opaque. It's not sheer at all. The glitter one is also pretty opaque. So I thought more of the pink would show up under that glitter tone, but it's pretty much a silver glitter, which I also very much like. And this red is really intense. So I think with 3 colors and the transparent coat and everything that you need, I'm really happy with this starter kit. And also, I'm just so happy about my nails right now. They feel super thick and strong because we did layer on some product. All right, we've got this bear claw thing going on now. What do you guys think? I think I did a fairly good job for my very first time. We're gonna go in with our very last step now, which is this awesome cuticle oil that they provided. And it's got peach extract with mango and some vitamins as well. I don't love this cuticle oil applicator because I feel like nothing's coming out. But it's like leaking out of the plastic part. Okay, I'll just dab this plastic part against my skin. I have finally found a con to this kit, and it's this stupid cuticle oil applicator. Here's to hoping for no cracks, no nail breakage, and no chipping. Just by the feel of these, they're so thick and like on there that I really don't think they're going to chip. I'm super excited about these little rhinestones. It's so cute. This whole process has been so easy and so fun. And I just want to give another thank you to Azure Beauty. I love this kit, honestly. So these are my nails after a week and a half of wear and tear, and you can see how long they've lasted and how the colors haven't chipped at all, and my nail is still strong and intact. But on my other hand, I've got a crack on my index finger, and I think it's alright. It actually doesn't look that bad, but I'm sorry about the bandage. I accidentally stabbed myself the night before filming this. But yeah, they are definitely high durability. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in this kit, Azure Beauty has very kindly provided a promo code. You will get 10% off your order. Please let me know if you guys want to see any more of this content. I'd be so happy to hear from you in the comments, and be sure to subscribe and like this video if you did like it. Alright, bye!